going on YouTube? Sorry I haven't posted for a while. A lot of things have happened between my last Subaru video and now, the flex fuel video. I've since sold the car. I got a new vehicle. I was tired of, the fast life. Wanted to slow down a little bit, and this is what I got. 2018 Jeep Wrangler, JKU. I've had this for probably about 3 years now. Got some 34s on it. Just bought a lift kit, 2.5-inch lift, so that way these don't rub as much. But yeah, this is my new toy. And I also just bought a, it's pretty neat. I'll have to show you the video of the install later, but it's a J Pro dash. So it pretty much gets rid of this old school regular, cluster, and it, pretty much turns into a giant LCD screen. Normal ones that you see, normally the ones you see in like the Volkswagens and the Audis, pretty neat. Got this giant Alpine radio. My wife actually bought that for me for my gift for the year. It covers Christmas, birthdays, everything. And yeah, so I'm loving this Wrangler so far, so good. Got a little ham radio and little things here and there. And also, I had a Subaru Ascent, a 2020 Subaru Ascent that I recently got rid of. It was just having issues here and there. It had electrical issues. It had radio issues as well. The radio just wouldn't play audio, and the car would cut off and won't start, and lots of issues. I love the car. It's unfortunate that it didn't work out, but I ended up getting a Ram Rebel. Definitely changed it up. Loving this thing. Has the dual split tailgate. Oh yeah. This thing's amazing. Yep. Alright guys, let's unbox this thing and check out what's inside. So we got the instruction manual. Don't follow the crowd. It's a Canadian company called Carobotor. Pretty cool. I guess they designed this in Canada, but they produce it they manufacture in China, because when I ordered it, it was showing delivering from China, and I'm like, what in the world did I order from China? But this is what it was. So all the nice little adapters, the sync cables. You've even got this guy in here. It's a new steering wheel control module, so you can control the dash. Let's see, foam insert out. All right, here is the cake portion of it. All right, don't follow the crowd. That guy, pretty nice. Really got some weight to it. Probably weighs about 5 pounds. Not bad. So you've got LED lights up here. You got the whole instrument cluster, or not instrument, sorry. You've got the whole pretty much status lights up here, like check engine light and all that good stuff. And then this is the beautiful LED display. So let's install it. All right, first things first, you gotta pry this guy out. Luckily, since I already got this radio installed, it's easier to take out than the factory one where you had to cut it, and I got all that out of the way. So I'm gonna pop this bezel off, and then we'll begin. All right, I had to fix the horrible lighting situation that was going on in here. Let's take this guy out. Alright, ran into a little bit of a problem. I forgot I mounted my GPS antenna right to this, so I gotta pry it off, and then we're gonna start doing the radio configuration, or the cluster configuration. Found the perfect tool for this. Oh yeah, that came off real easy. I don't know why I couldn't pull that off with my hand. This works well though. Love my little handy dandy knife. Alright, instruction manual, welcome. Thank you for buying, you're welcome. Alright, overview, we got all the parts. Take off the radio. 7mm socket to take it all off. Alright, so we take out the original car meter, unplug it, and hook up the synchronous cables to it. So we're gonna start that next. Alright guys, I got the harness connected. It's all color coded, pretty easy peasy. You gotta unplug the whole dash. There's this other cable here. I don't know what that's for, but it says leave it unplugged. It doesn't say anywhere in here to plug it in. So I'm gonna hook up the J Pro to the other harness to sync it up. Let's see. Alright, so I have the J Pro connected. Now it says press the key to unlock and wait for the interface to be activated. Press the key. Where's the key? There's a key? Press the key. Or unless it means like put the key in ignition. Oh, yeah, put the key in ignition. When it says press key, it means put it in ignition. Ooh, yeah. Alright, so okay, it says enter the activation code. How the hell do I do that? I'm gonna read this to figure out how to enter the activation code. Let's see. Alright, the only downside to this portion of the install is the activation code. So in order to unlock this thing, you have to get the activation code from Carobotor. So on their website they have a WhatsApp phone number, and I'm actually on the phone with them right now. It is Saturday. They responded though, so maybe this isn't as bad as I thought it would be. It only took about a minute for them to respond, and I should get that code and be on my way. Awesome, pretty painless. It took about 3 minutes to do that. So I'm gonna enter the activation code, and alright, it's complete. So excited. It's actually on and working. So cool. Wow, that is amazing. Alright, time to finish up the instructions and put it back together. Awesome. I got everything reinstalled. Now let's check it out. That's too cool. Now let's see. Navigating through everything. 100% torque going to the rear. Wow. Tells you the media, what tracks you're on. Even gives you maintenance schedule, tire pressure monitoring. Damn, this is so cool. Door unlocking mode. All these little tabs tell you everything. Status. Trip A, Trip B. That is so awesome. Wow. Tells you your gas over here from this cool little LED display. And the same goes for over here. Coolant levels. God, that is so awesome. And then you have my other part of the radio over here. Tells you everything as well. God, this is so cool. Wow, Carobotor. I do give you that, like, this is truly amazing. Let's see if I put it in reverse. Yep. Doors open. Tells you. Neutral. Reverse. That comes up. It's my house. Park. Let's test out. Wow. Does you 4-wheel drives on. That is so cool. So cool! I really like this. This is like definitely well worth the money, especially for an older JK. I definitely recommend getting one of these clusters. Give you that new car feel without getting a new car. And definitely recommend the Alpine X209 off-road radio. This thing's amazing. But yep, hope you enjoy, guys. This has been one heck of a cool install. Super easy, very super painless. Oh yeah, I did forget to mention, when you turn the lights, makes it dim, brighter. Super cool. Wow, they really did a good job with this. Loving the new cockpit. It's so awesome. Let's cycle through some of these cool modes. So you got climb mode, got snow mode. You see a little Yeti. You got mud mode. And you got sand mode. That is pretty cool. And it even gives you inclinometer. I really like this. That is astounding. They really went all out for this interface. This is so cool. I'm amazed by how cool this thing is. Awesome. Simply awesome. Definitely recommend it. See you guys.